If you are getting a P0446 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0446. It indicates that your car's computer has detected a problem with the function of the EVAP system vent valve. Here are 2 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. Method B, the charcoal canister. Most fuel vapor canisters can be located on the driver's side of the vehicle, close to the rear tire. First, carefully remove the charcoal canister from your car. Locate the fuel pillar. Inject water from the fuel pillar to clean the charcoal canister through. Reinstall the charcoal canister back in your car once it gets dried. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix the P0446 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.